Hi viewers, this is Aditya. This is my new video. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for new updates. Today I am going to explain about how to play leg side shot. First, I am going to play. Afterwards, I can explain how to play leg side shot. Once more. Like this. Now I am going to explain. First you have to check your bat grip. And next is stance. You have to maintain your stance on the grease. In my last videos, I had explained about how to grip the bat and how to stay in the grease. This is bat grip, stance, and next is back lift. This is very important to punch the ball. You have to punch the ball. In last video I had explained how to punch the ball and how to stay in the grease and how to grip the bat. Now I am going to explain about only leg side shot. You can observe me. Grip, stance, back lift, and you have to play. And you have to put your left leg here and you have to take your bat like this. You have to punch the ball like this. You can observe my hand movement. Now I am going to play 2 to 3 minutes here. Please like this video and share to all your friends. And don't forget, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching this video.